Sperax Walking Pad 3-in-1 Folding Treadmill for Home. This product review is Amazon Associate Commissions Earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Features: 3-in-1 use, under-desk walking pad, fold-up jog-run mode with handrail, and a compact stow mode for storage. Compact, folding design, low-profile deck that slides under couches/beds, upright handrail folds for closet or wall storage, transport wheels. Motor and belt, brushless home motor designed for walking to light jogging, multi-layer belt with basic cushioning to reduce footfall harshness. Controls and display, onboard LED readout for speed, time, distance, calories, handheld remote in walking pad mode, console buttons when the rail is up. Some variants also support simple app control. Safety, magnetic safety key when rail is raised, auto stop on key removal, side rails to step off quickly. Accessories, phone tablet rest on the console, basic lubrication port, included silicone oil. Performance, speed range, tuned for daily steps, brisk walking, and light jogging. It's not a high-speed runner's treadmill. Think productivity cardio and casual fitness. Stability, feels stable at walking paces. At faster jogs, you may notice more deck flex and vibration than on a gym-grade unit, normal for this size price. Cushioning and noise. Cushioning is modest but adequate for walking sessions. Noise is desk-friendly. Footfall is usually louder than the motor. On thick floors, rugs, sound transmission drops further. Duty cycle. Best for 30 to 60-minute sessions rather than marathon training blocks. Motor and belt handle daily use if you keep speeds moderate and perform basic maintenance. Ease of use. Setup arrives mostly assembled. Unfold, attach or raise the handrail, plug in and go. Initial belt centering may be needed. Allen key usually included. Controls, remote makes under-desk use simple. Rail-up mode gives sturdier controls and the safety key. Speed steps are small enough for fine-tuning while typing or watching TV. Storage, light enough to tilt and roll, slides under a bed sofa. Upright footprint is closet-friendly. Maintenance, wipe dust, lube the belt on schedule, and check belt tracking every few weeks. 5-minute jobs. Build quality. Frame and deck, lightweight steel frame with compact deck. Good for apartments and home offices. Handrail is serviceable, but not meant for heavy weight bearing. Belt and rollers, consumer-grade components, smooth at walking speeds, acceptable at light jogs. Fit and finish, clean and modern. Cable routing and plastics are typical of compact treadmills. Where it excels. Under-desk walking to increase daily steps while working. Small space cardio for apartments/dorms. Quick, low-impact sessions for warm-ups, active recovery, or post-work walks. Where it's less ideal. High-speed running or interval training. The deck length and motor aren't built for sprints. Heavy users seeking gym-level stability. Consider a larger deck and higher-spec motor if you'll jog often. Value for money. Strong value if your primary goals are daily step count, light cardio, and space saving. You're paying for versatility, walk pad rail-up mode, and convenience rather than peak performance. If you need real running capacity or advanced features, incline, big touchscreens, premium suspension, a larger traditional treadmill at a higher price and footprint will offer better long-run performance. Buying tips and setup advice. Match to stride. If you're tall or plan to jog, check deck length against your natural stride. Aim for a comfortable buffer at your usual pace. Use a mat, reduces noise and dust intake, and keeps the unit planted on smooth floors. Desk pairing. If using under a desk, ensure desk height accommodates your natural arm swing. A height-adjustable desk is ideal. Maintain the belt, lube per the manual, and keep it centered. This preserves motor life and keeps noise low. Plan sessions. Stack 2 to 3 short walks, 15 to 25 minutes, during the day to rack up steps without fatigue. Verdict. If you want a space-saving, quiet treadmill to walk while you work and occasionally do light jogs, the Sperax 3-in-1 Walking Pad is a smart, wallet-friendly pick. If your goal is structured running workouts, look to a larger treadmill with a longer deck, higher top speed, and stronger cushioning. Remember, click and buy. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description.